have it. Die.
She wants that frog.
It ain't the frog, baby.
What is it?
It's just the fishing rod. It's just the fishing. What up, baby girl? You want to fish? Huh? What's up, baby girl?
I think she wants the bait.
Nah, get away from the bait. Nasty. You don't have to cut that sucker in half because that sucker just disappeared. Let me tell you something. Mama bait. Mama bait.
Sling it. We're moving that sling in a minute. It's just flipping around. That anchor's caught. We're turning around.
I'm trying to get her. I think I need a small hook. That's my bait. That's my bait. Yeah? What am I doing? What am I doing? Huh?